Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Evie. It's lovely to meet you and thanks for joining us today. I hope you stick around for my future videos. I know it has been a very long time. For those of you that do subscribe, it has been a long time since I have sat down and filmed a full YouTube video with you. So I'm really excited that I'm back, and today I really wanted to share with you a easy, hassle-free, fuss-free, simple makeup look that I literally wear pretty much every day, and it takes me 15 minutes flat. Like, honestly, I don't spend any more time than 15 minutes on it. Sometimes I do it in 10, but you know, I don't want to say 10 and then it takes you 15, and you know, I don't want the drama. But yeah, this makeup look, as you can see from my face, it's simple, pretty, natural, but still a little bit glamorous, and just really easy to do on a day-to-day basis. It's not going to stress you out or get you, you know, in a fluster before work. I have on purpose kept this makeup look to a minimum, so there's not tons of products in this. This is just what I use on a day-to-day basis at the moment, that I'm currently loving and would recommend to you. So I really hope you enjoy this look. I'm going to talk it through on voiceover and give you everything you need to know through the voiceover. So I'll see you in a minute and I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to use my foundation, and I always use the Bourjois Healthy Mix Foundation. I've been using it for years. I just love the formula. It's not too dry, it's not too matte, but it's not too glossy either. It's just really comfortable to wear all day long. I use a simple foundation brush to blend this in, and I just make sure that I blend it in nicely all across my face and of course down my neck and under my chin as well. I use my concealer, which is the Maybelline Activewear Superstay Concealer, and I think this is shade Ivory, but I use it to basically highlight under my eyes, along the sort of bridge of my nose, and also use it to conceal any blemishes or spots that I may have. Unfortunately, I've had a few breakouts recently, so that's why I'm dotting it around my face like it's a dot-to-dot map. To blend it in, I just use my fingers. I mean, I don't faff about with any sponges or brushes at the moment. I just find that using my fingers gives a really quick, simple, easy and blended effect. To add a slight contour to my face, I use the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit, and I just use that along my cheekbones, along my nose, and I blend that across my forehead as well to give some definition, and along my chin. Next up, I use my favourite blusher, which is from Givenchy, and I just add that to the apples of my cheeks and up my cheekbones to give a nice rosy finish. For the eyes, I'm really enjoying using my bronzer on my eyes as eyeshadow at the moment to give a nice contoured look. So I just use an eyeshadow brush to apply this to my eyes. To then make my eyelashes look nice and curled, I use my eyelash curlers. I then use my liquid eyeliner, which is kind of more like a felt tip pen if we're being honest, but it's really easy to use, as you can see, and I really like the effect it gives. It lasts all day long as well. At the moment, I'm using the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, and this is absolutely brilliant. It's so good, and it's around £10, so it's really not that expensive. But I just love the effect it gives. It makes my eyelashes look super long and dramatic, and I really like them. Finally, for the brows, I like to keep them quite natural. I don't put too much on them day to day, but I do use this gel by Maybelline just to comb through my brows and make sure they're looking nice and tamed. My lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury is literally the stubbiest, shortest little pencil now because I have used it so much since having it. It just lines my lips beautifully and it really is a lovely colour. So I use that to define my lips, and then I use my Dior lipstick, which is a beautiful natural shade of pink. I just really love it for day to day, and it's so nice to wear as well. It feels like satin on the lips. So there we have it. That is my super speedy everyday makeup look that I do within 15 minutes pretty much every day. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you try some of the products for yourself. If you already use some of the products, do let me know in the comments which you love. I love hearing your feedback, and getting to reply to it as well is really lovely. So do drop me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Mwah! Bye!